RV owners are raving about this mattress. RV life is all about adventure, but what about your mattress in that RV? It should be built for comfort and durability. If you've ever struggled with sagging, overheating, or even mildew ruining your RV mattress, stop settling. Today, I'm revealing why the Turmerry RV Latex Mattress is the game changer van lifers and road warriors need. Hey, I'm Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. And let's be real, most RV mattresses don't last. They get lumpy, trap moisture, and fall apart after a few years. But this mattress, it's built to withstand the demands of RV living while keeping you cool, dry, and comfortable no matter where your travels take you. One huge issue with RV mattresses is humidity control. Unlike a house, RVs and vans are exposed to constantly changing weather conditions, and that means moisture buildup. Foam and synthetic mattresses trap humidity, leading to mildew, mold, and a musty smelling bed. But natural latex, it's a game changer. The Turmerry RV Latex Mattress is naturally mold and mildew resistant, meaning you won't wake up to an unpleasant surprise after parking by the lake or in a humid climate. So what makes this RV mattress stand out? Check this out. It's 100% natural latex, which is mildew resistant and moisture wicking for a fresher, cleaner sleep. In regards to the support and durability, it won't break down or sag like cheap foam. Breathable design. It keeps airflow moving so you stay cool and sweat free. Firm and supportive. No more sinking or waking up sore after a night on the road. And let's talk comfort. An RV mattress needs to handle daily wear and tear, not just a few weekend trips a year. Foam mattresses compress fast, leaving you with a mattress that feels like sleeping on plywood because it bottoms out. But latex keeps its shape. It bounces back and gives consistent support for years. Let's talk about the environmental impact, because many RVers care about sustainability. Unlike foam mattresses that are full of chemicals, this latex mattress is eco-friendly, naturally sourced, and certified by GOLS and GOTS. Alright, let's break it down. Why should you invest in a high-quality RV mattress? Let's go over some of the pros first. The benefits of the Turmerry RV mattress are that it's mold resistant, which is perfect for humid environments. It doesn't trap heat. It stays cool in summer. It lasts way longer than traditional RV mattresses. It's firm yet comfortable, so this is great for back and side sleepers. The cons are that it's at a bit of a higher price point, but it's worth it for the years of comfort. So you'll get a mattress that lasts way longer and will be more comfortable during that time. This mattress may feel firmer than expected, but that's why it stays supportive over a longer period of time. If you're serious about comfortable, long-lasting sleep in your RV, this mattress is worth every penny. No more sagging, sweating, or dealing with mold. If you want the best RV mattress out there, check out the link in the description and it will lead you straight to the Turmerry RV mattress review where you can compare it to other mattresses in the natural latex mattress space. Turmerry offers a lot of the sizing options for RV mattresses, and this mattress is available in a 6-inch and 9-inch configuration, which is perfect for RVs and vans. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll leave a link below in the description where you can compare this mattress with other natural latex mattresses on naturalmattressfinder.com. My name is Daniel Boudreau. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have a fantastic sleep tonight, and I will see you on the next one.